It's your boy Big Stoney back again, man. And today I'm about to show y'all boys how to make a future type beat like Southside or ATL Jacob, maybe. That's what we doing. So let's do it. We're gonna just start with the, actually we're gonna start with some, let's start with some strings today. I'm gonna switch this string out for like a pad or something. My brain wasn't articulating the right sounds. I like that. Alright, boom, that's fire, that's nice, that's ambient. Let's get that low piano note in there. Legendary low piano note. I'm gonna use labs. I like labs. Sometimes I'll use the SRX pianos too. Alright, let's try to get like a crazy lead in here. Just something like simple but catchy and saucy to like turn it up a little bit. Well, that's not gonna be our lead, but I'm gonna add that in there as a little accent. Yeah, nice little accent. I like that. I like that. We're gonna keep using this Prophet. This Prophet is doing us super magic justice right now, so we're gonna keep showing it low. I think we're out of good leads for this Prophet, so we're gonna venture into something else. Let's do try the CS80. Okay, I think this might be what we need right here. Throw some effects on that. Let's go shaper box. No, I don't like that. I may be rocking that. Can you hear it again? I could maybe rock with that. I think I'm gonna have to put another shaper box on it. Let's try to add a portal too. Let's get into some drums. What the fuck? We got a nice 808 bounce. We're gonna use that good 808 Mafia snare, man. I think I'm gonna actually speed this up a bit too. And I think I'm gonna change this. There we go. Now we gotta really tear these hi-hats up something serious right now, so. I feel like the melody needs a little something more. I feel like we just need like one small like pluck type thing, and then it could be finished. We just gotta find the right sound. It's forever the hardest thing. Ooh, I think that might work out. Yes, sir. That's it right there. That's it right there. Let's lay this bad boy out. Let's get the loop rendered out first. I like that. Good Future Hendrix vibes. What? All right, let's hear it from the top one time. See what we came up with today. See if this is a grade A Future beat or not. I think it's at least a grade B Future beat, at the very least.
I mean, that's my man, Stoney.
Guys, and that is it. That is how you make a Future type beat like Metro or ATL Jacob or Southside or any of those guys who be producing them dark hard joints for Future, man. As always, I hope that y'all boys enjoyed the video and learned a little bit of something. Drop me some comments. Let me know what y'all want to see for future content. And as always, Big Stoney out.